In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert images to text using Microsoft Copilot. So assuming I'm on my Microsoft Copilot account and I have just imported this image, you can see it was the best of times, it was the worst of times, it was the age of wisdom. And then I say, can you convert this image into a text? And take a look at the wonders it has given me. It has really converted it into a text very easily and directly. Okay, so I can easily copy this and then I can use it. So let me try to do one more right here. So I can click on this plus sign and I can upload my image. Alternatively, I have it here, just downloaded. I can just drag and drop it here. So this is another image containing text. So I can now just go ahead and ask, can you just hit on enter? And surprisingly, it is going to do the wonders for me. So you can see exactly what is on the image is what it has directly converted in here. So it's very easy for you to bring in any textbook, screenshot it and put it here. You don't have to type in anything. It is going to help you to convert it into a text. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.